guys? Good. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Oh, that is good. Mick, you want to get up on the pedestal? Up, up. Up, up. Good, but no, not over it. Not over it. Back up. Yeah. Okay, but now you didn't leave yourself room. Hold on. Right here. You want to get up, Tino? Remember? Up, up. All the way. Up, up, up. Good boy. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. You don't remember? Up, up, up. You want to try it, Mick? Good. That is a smart Mustang. Oh, you're not a Mustang. Good boy. Do you want the ball? That's nice. Oh. Oh. Oh, good. Yeah, you're smart. But we worked with it. Oh. Okay. Okay. Good. That's right. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, calm it down. Hey, Mick, you don't bite at him. That's good, Tino. Do you want the ball? Okay, you get the ball. Good boy. Oh, you're smart. Oh, look at you. Oh, look at you. Oh, that is good. That is good. Yeah, you're nice and tall. Can you do yes? Can you do yes? Oh, that is good. Good boy, Tino. That's right. Good. Oh, you're a good boy. Nice. Oh, now be careful. That's my arm. Okay, Tino, let's let your brother go. Good boy. Down. Down. Good boy. Hey, watch that ball on my back. Okay. Okay, Mick. Coming up? Coming up? Okay. Now you got your ball in your way. Wait. Wait. You want to come up? Come up. Both feet. Okay, you're getting confused. This one. Away. That's good, Tino. That's good. Yes, you're good. Yes, you're good. That's very nice. Good boy. Good. Very smart boy. Do you think you can give your friend a chance? Okay, come on, let's get you down. No. Get down. Down. Come on, go. That's good. Good boy. Okay, now let's see if your friend can come up here. Go back up. Good boy, Mick. Come on up. Good boy, come on up. Up, 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 up. Up, up, up. Good. Wait. Good. That's right. Good. Can you hold the ball while you're up there? Good. Got it? Wait. You know, back up. Good boy. Back up. Wait. Hold on. Wait. Got your ball? Got it? No. You can't hold it like that. Hold it there. Yes.